Welcome to Paul. We discuss and deal with people, awareness, unity, and life. In this opening video, I will talk about the most important and impacting subject humanity is facing right now. COVID-19, the global pandemic that is caused because of coronavirus, which is called SARS-CoV-19. Coronavirus caught the world by surprise and exposed how vulnerable we are. COVID-19 shook the world out of its preoccupations and forced all of us to focus on the very basic question, our survival. I am Paul Gandham from Hyderabad, India. We are involved in plant research focused in formulations and research of anti-cancer, chemo prevention, natural bioactive phytochemical compounds. In the coming 10 minutes, I would want your attention and give you some simple measures and simple diet which will sustain us through corona, so that till a proper vaccine is available in the market, we can survive. Me and my team, we have seen this with a different perspective, and as you know, people look at the symptoms, but the researchers will look at the causes. The general symptoms of coronavirus are like that of flu, and there will be lack of sense of taste and smell. There will be fever, kind of body aches. People having comorbidities, that is having other health issues such as cardiac diseases, diabetes, hypertension, osteoporosis, and COPD, that is called chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases. They are more vulnerable to corona. So actually how corona originated, that is from the bats to the man, and sometimes it is called from bats to the pangolin and to the man. There was some research done and as to why bats, which primarily carry the virus, are not affected. It is found that the metabolic rate of bats is almost 3 to 5 times greater than that of mammals of the same size and weight. The bats have antiviral signaling pathways which are effectively and actively working and keeping them survive this virus. Human beings also have this kind of ability, but because of the lifestyle and because of the low metabolic rate, because of the kind of eating habits and the lifestyle that we are maintaining, that is becoming a hindrance, and human beings have become more vulnerable to corona than that of bats. It is found that depletion of signaling pathway abolishes immune response mechanism, which significantly increases the replication of this virus. This is called interferon regulatory factor, IRF. Basically, coronavirus is a RNA genome-based virus. Our body has a status called homeostasis, which is nothing but effective management of biochemical and physiological pathways. Sedentary lifestyle makes these functions lazy. What we call laziness is nothing but underutilization of our natural ability to have a proper management of our biochemical and physiological pathways. Laziness is directly linked to obesity, which is the mother of most of the diseases. We call it sophistication, we call it advanced technology, we call it better evolved procedures, or we want to be more comfortable. All these things make us lazy. That is one of the reasons why we have become prone to corona. All the advanced nations are suffering. Laziness is sin, according to Proverbs 18 and 19. Laziness is in 3 forms, that is physical laziness, mental laziness, and spiritual laziness. Regarding these 3 issues, I would delegate one more episode, and I would want you to subscribe to this channel so that you can get all the details once we upload that. A lazy person is as bad as someone who is destructive. So what we should consume to enhance our immune system and be strong and survive corona. Our presentation is in two forms. One is the diet that we are going to suggest, and one is the exercises and the physical activities that we have to take so that our body will be fit to fight this virus. What should we consume? We give a simple formula for everybody to remember easily. It is called C4HP. C4 means curcumin, that is derived from turmeric, cinnamon, citrus and clove. H for honey and P for pepper. These 6 ingredients, when taken in the most raw form, will definitely help us to improve our immune system and also combat coronavirus. When people suffering with corona, they don't have a sense of taste or smell. That is because of the signaling pathway that is affected. And that is because of 2 amino acids. That one is glycine and the pathway that is used by GABA, GABA, GABA pathway. Both these amino acids directly involved in the neurotransmission of the central nervous system. So glycine is abundantly available in bone broth, chicken or lamb or beef or camel, whichever bone you have available all across the world. Especially in India, cow is banned, so you can have buffalo or lamb or chicken, whichever is available. There is a special dish in Hyderabad that is called halim. People who consume halim are definitely going to survive corona, because halim has all these qualities, all the spices, and the preparation is also on a slow process, and that is, as a Hyderabadi, I think I would want to highlight this. People who are vegetarians, they can prefer to have sprouted lentils, most of the sprouts. Here the hallmark of combating corona is vitamin C. We suggest to have lime along with the peel in honey. So lemon with peel has extraordinary benefits in our immune system and the way it works in the body. The lime with peel in honey or ghee, that is going to effectively improve our immune system, and that will give us enough strength to withstand corona.